during our discussion, let's have another activity. Okay? So now class, read what is on the screen.
The class will be divided into 4 groups. Each group will be given different tasks to do to demonstrate the moral lesson of the story. Group 1, poem writing. Group 2, song creation. Group 3, role playing. Group 4, poster or drawing.
Our story is next.
The allotted time for this activity are 5 minutes for collaboration and task completion and 1 to 2 minutes to present their work.
Okay, so remember class, I'm going to group you now in 4 groups. This will be the group 1, this will be the group 2, this will be the group 3, and this will be the group 4. Remember class, I group you based on what your hobby like. Okay, so class, like in group 1, I know that most of you really loves to write poem. That's why the task I give you is for writing. And for group 2, I know that most of you really loves to sing and really good or have a good voice. That's why the task I give you is song creation. For group 3, I know that most of you really loves to act, and some of you are part of the other batangan. That's why the activity or task I gave you is role play or short skit. Then, in the last group, which the group 4, I know that most of you are into arts and really loves to draw. That's why the task is poster or drawing. Remember class, all you need to do is to show what is the moral lesson of the story. Remember class, I'm going to give you 5 minutes only to do the task and 1 to 2 minutes to present your work. Is that your class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for group 1, here is your material and your working places. There, okay. So for group 2, this is your material and your workplace is so there. And for group 3, workplace is there. And for group 4, your material is here. Okay, so are we clear class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you may go to your respective groups. But okay, so sa class, remember, we need to talk about this right now, rotation of our activity. Now class, I see in front. Okay, so for our criteria, we have creativity, representation, clarity, and collaboration. So class, I'm going to give you 5 points as the highest score. For creativity, given it is experience, creative, and regional work. Also, another 5 points for representation if it has a strong and clear presentation of the moral lesson. Another 5 points for clarity if it is very clear, well-organized, and easy to understand. And also another 5 points as the highest point for collaboration if it had excellent teamwork with good participation. Is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you will go in your respective areas and we start doing the activity. Your 5 minutes will start in 3, 2, 1. sharpen your since your work is so big. 5 points for presentation, also 5 points for clarity, and for collaboration, another 5 points with a total of 20 points. Okay, so now, next group. I share in front class and listen to group 2. points. And for collaboration, another 5 points. Total of 20 points. Also for group B, we have proceed. Last right here. All eyes are in front.
Okay, so for what we're going to present here is a short skill about hard work and perseverance that showcases economic and social issues. Nana? Parang ito na. Nilinis mo? Magluto ka na. Pagkain na, magluto ka din. Hindi ako na naman. Ikaw lang pala yung ginagawa. Ako na naman. Ako naman sinin si Kulot kasi yun, nag-aaral nila para lang para sa nagbukasan natin. Hindi na mag-aaral na sa kailangan. Hindi na mag-aaral sa kailangan. Hindi na mag-aaral sa kailangan. Hindi yung anak ko, ayan o. Ako na naman puso.
Okay, so let's give 5 claps to everybody. Okay, for ABCD, 5 points. For representation, 5 points. For clarity, 5 points. And for collaboration, also 5 points. For the total of 20 points. Now for the last group, we start.
Hi, good evening everyone. So this is Makato, and as you can see, he handed gifts to someone else, girl, and there is a heart symbol on the upper side. Heart symbolizes love, and when you give someone something, it means that you care for them or you love them. And giving someone is a form of good deed, so when you do good things to people, it will also come back to you. Thank you.
Also, good job. Good job. For creativity and growth, we give 5 points. Since black colors. And for representation, also 5 points. For clarity, also 5 points. And for collaboration, since all of your members collaborate, I'm going to give you 5 points also for total of 20 points. Okay, so good job everyone.